question asks us to find the isoprene units in each given molecule. The isoprene units are those 5 carbon chains that make up terpenes. What I like to do when I'm looking for the isoprene units is to find the methyl groups. Those tend to stand out to me. So when I look at this molecule, I see this methyl group up here. This is likely one of the carbons of the 5 carbons of the terpene. It's got to be connected then to this carbon, which would be another carbon of that terpene. And so then the other 3 carbons could be this one here, and this one here. So I've got the 3 carbons and the 2 carbon chain. These are the 5 carbons of one of the isoprene units. The 5 carbons of the other isoprene unit, again, let's look for those methyl groups. I see them down here at the bottom. So I'll start with those. Here would be one of the carbons of the isoprene, and here would be the other. Those are connected to this carbon, which is 3, and then 4 and 5 round out the 5 carbons of the other isoprene unit in citronellal.